Yo, what's up guys, this is Giorgio, and in this video I'm going to show you how to write a copy that sells without even writing it yourself. So if you're interested and you really want to know how, then well, let's jump into my laptop and let's find it out. Alright guys, so now we are in my laptop and let's start this tutorial. So we are in the inside of Builderall, and Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing tool. It has a lot of features, but for this video I'm going to use script generator. So I click on it. Alright, so Builderall provides a special video training, walkthrough, dashboard tutorial, generating scripts, and a new avatar how to do this. So guys, we want to generate a script, of course, because I'm going to show you how to write a copy that sells automatically. Alright guys, so choose your niche. Personal development, internet marketing, local businesses, health and fitness, coaching, speaker, affiliate marketing, story emails. You need to choose your niche, but the first thing we need to do is to create an avatar. I've already created two avatars, the webinar cookbook and the webinar promo Cindy, for the purpose of this video, but let's create a new one. So what you need to do is make up the name of your avatar profile. So let's say webinar promo Cindy. What is the age of the avatar, gender, male, female, both, education level. Next, step number 2, the epiphany moment. And well guys, they already gave you an example. So I discovered this sitting at my dining room table after failing for the 4th time with my back against the wall, and it suddenly came to me. Alright, what is the number one thing you will show them how to do and get more clients using the strategy without getting overwhelmed? So you just answer these questions, guys. It's that simple. You just answer all these questions. Benefit number 1 of what they really want. So what is a realistic goal? Let's say 50k per year. So I've already done this with my avatar, but next you go to step number 3. I'm going to show you all the steps, and then I'm going to show you my avatar. But the number 1 pain they want to avoid. What are the major problems they face? Blah blah blah. Step number 4, you're going to talk about your offer. Who's the person writing this offer? Let's say Justin Burns. Call to action. What action do you want your prospects to take on your ad? So let's say learn more, or click here to learn more, or sign up, download, etc. Again, what do you want the prospects to do after they go through your sales copy? Click here to download, click here now, click here to apply. So play around with it, guys, just play around with it. Step number 6, a wrap up. What is the name of this persona? What website do you want to use for your company? Phone number, email address, name of your company, Facebook profile, Twitter profile, and the city. So once you're done with the 6 steps, you head over to generate scripts again. Oh well, let's take a look at my avatar. I've created webinar cookbook and webinar promo Cindy. So let's take a look at webinar promo Cindy. Step number 2, I discovered this sitting in my etc. Call to action. Alright, so guys, generate scripts. So let's say that you are in the internet marketing niche. So we click on it, and here you see funnel scripts, webinar scripts, advertising scripts, headline scripts, email scripts, e-commerce scripts, story. Well, as you can see, a lot of them. Well, let's click on funnel scripts, for example. So let's say that we want to create a squeeze page and we don't want to write the copy. So as we can see over here, it is already generated. Do you want to make more money and grow your business? Then pay close attention to what you're about to see, because you're about to, and in big letters, discover how to make more money and grow your business without losing money on advertising and becoming overwhelmed. And you can make it bold, italic, cursive, underline, the font family. You can play around with the fonts. So of course you need to adjust it. But this is the core, guys. This is the core. You don't have to do a lot. Well, let's take a look at another one. Free book giveaway, for example. Hey there, Justin Barnes here. I'm the founder of Ultimate Machine and I specialize in helping artists get more freedom. Blah blah blah. I've been in the business. Option 1, convinced. And that's all that generated. You don't have to write it yourself. Guys. But if it did convince you, click here to instant access and then you link. You just copy and paste your links over here. So we go back. And well, let's say a thank you page. I'm going to show you the thank you page. Success. Thank you for your interest in 3 ways to growing a massive business. Your 8-week training course will arrive in your inbox in 15 minutes or less. And that's it. It's not that hard. So it's really easy, guys. Just a link to the offer. And that's it. We go back. Webinar script. Let's say that you want to do a webinar. Alright guys, so this is just a webinar squeeze page, and as you can see, it's already generated for us. We don't have to write everything. Of course you have to edit it like already mentioned, but yeah, it's really easy. So we go back. The reminder. Let's say that somebody signed up for the email and you want to remind them that the webinar is starting within 1 hour, for example. So webinar invite emails, the first email that you're going to send, if you want to discover blah blah blah, this webinar is for you, etc. Date and time of webinar, include all 4 time zones. Email number 2, this is the second email you're going to send out. And core webinar email number 1, 24 hours before. This is the email that you're going to send a day before the real webinar. And that's it. So we go back. Headline. Let's say that you have no clue what headline you need to use for your email or for your blog post. So email subject lines: how to make more money and grow your business. This is a really good email headline you can use. The absolute best way to make more money and grow your business. How I avoided losing money on advertising and becoming overwhelmed. And you can use these headlines, guys. Headline scripts. So let's say that you want to write a blog post, for example. Builderall helps you with a headline as well. Something every real estate developers should know. Get rid of losing money on advertising and becoming overwhelmed once and for all. And you can write blog posts using these headlines, or perhaps you need some headlines for your Facebook advertising or whatever you want. Speaking about Facebook advertising, guys, advertising scripts, we click on Facebook ad scripts, and here you have it. So if you're going to create a Facebook ad for a warm lead, cold lead, warm lead, hot lead. So hot lead already bought some items from you. So he really knows you. A warm lead is somebody who is a bit familiar with you, but not that much as a hot lead. The cold lead is somebody who doesn't even know you. So cold lead number 1, the headline: how to get rid of losing money on advertising and becoming overwhelmed once and for all. This is your headline. Insert a picture, go to Pixabay, something like that, and just take a look at some non-copyrighted pictures. And this is the text you can use, and description, of course. Click here, call to action, etc. So here you can, if you click on export script, you will download the script. So this is a really nifty tool, the script generator of Builderall. Is there something I want to show as well. Well, e-commerce scripts. Let's say that you have a physical product and somebody just purchased a physical product. Let's say a book, not an ebook, but a book, because an ebook is not physical, it's digital. A book, for example. Congratulations, you're in, but you need to see this. Hey there, I'm writing you this email. Blah blah blah. Order number, order date, product image, the price, shipping, total. And the bonus that you provide, well, bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3. It's really not that hard. And it's really useful for if you're in a digital marketing space, if you're active in a digital marketing space. This is really something you should take a look at. Shopping cart abandonment. So let's say that somebody at first they wanted to buy the product, but then they changed their mind. I don't know what happened, but it's still in their cart, and you will send out an abandonment email. Let's say the first one sent 30 minutes after abandon shopping cart. So the subject, hey, I'm sorry, but something went wrong with your order, and then etc. And link to the offer. Sent 24 hours after the first mail. So people who are familiar with e-commerce, they recognize these emails. So 1, 2, 3 emails. Like I said, it's very useful for basically everybody in a digital marketing space. The last one I'm going to go over is the high ticket sales script. And the difference with low ticket items and high ticket items is the way you need to approach the customer. So you can't expect to just send out some emails and that people will buy high ticket stuff from you. So I'm talking about 5k, 10k, 20k products. Let's say consulting, which costs 20k a year. So you can't expect that will happen if you send out some emails. You need to call them, and that's the best way to just sell your high ticket offers. It's still cold calling, so or even warm calling if you know your leads, if they already purchased something from you. You call it hot lead calling. But hey, it's Justin Burns calling from the office of Ultimate Machine, and this is just a script you can use. It's just your cold calling or warm calling script. And then respond accordingly, pause for acknowledgement, etc. Pause for response. Builderall really makes it easy for you guys. And again, you can export the script. Alright, we go back. And the last one, story scripts. So here you can choose a script. Let's click on Back to the Future, for example, guys. So sometimes you just need to write a crazy story to your audience, to your subscribers. So subject line, 88 miles an hour in a DeLorean. I don't know how to pronounce it, but remember Back to the Future. Just a crazy story, and it's already generated for you guys. You go back. Okay, now the last one. I really want to show you a lot, but I can't do it, of course. Customer welcome product. Congratulations on your product order. The email body. Congratulations, etc. 3 to 5 business days. More great stuff from Ultimate Machine. Blah 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 blah. So I think I made my point clear. So guys, that's basically it for today. Well, I only showed you one avatar, but I also created one that is active in the health and fitness niche. I'm not going to show it right now because I don't want to create a long ass video for you guys. So that is it for today. If you find this interesting, if you really want to know more about Builderall, for example, And you can just test it out. It has a 7-day free trial. I will link it down in the description. And guys, yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well. If you didn't like this video, give it a dislike, of course, and comment down below what you didn't like and what I need to improve. So guys, that's it for today. I see you in the next videos.